This video is how to make a contact group. So I'm in the contacts section of Outlook, and this is not the webmail version. If you look on the left side of the screen, there's the envelope, the calendar, and the people. I clicked on the people. Now I'm near new contact, but there's a tiny down pointing arrow, and I'm choosing from here contact group. And I'm going to name this Elementary Librarians. And I need to choose some members. So I'll do add members from the global address book because they work inside Andover Public Schools. They're not my outer contacts. So from here, I'm going to type in Nancy Snow in no particular order, and I double click on her. And then I highlight over that and type Jamie Kaplan. It's right there. Elizabeth Tompkins. I'm double clicking each time and it's adding to the end. I double click one more and highlight over, and notice I'm just typing. After I highlight, blue means blow it away, so I'm just typing. And here is the 5th librarian that I want in this list, so I'm just double clicking her. I see I have 5 now, and I click OK, and this looks perfect. This is exactly what I wanted, so I hit save and close. Now if I go back to email and click new email, I type elementary librarians, there it is. I just click it and I'm ready to go. I'm emailing all 5 of them. If I want to refresh my memory of who's in there, I hit this plus sign to expand the list, and you can't collapse it again, but that's okay. Maybe somebody is out and I know they're out and I don't want to bother them, so I might want to expand it and delete one person. But I don't want to do that right now. I'll just hit cancel, and that's that.